Welcome to YOUCANIC. We're going to show you how to reset this service required reminder on a Mitsubishi Outlander. In order to carry out this procedure, you need to turn off the ignition. Then you're going to use this button on the left side here. It could be a square rectangle button like this, or you might say info round button. But what you'll do is you'll make sure you press this a few times until that wrench shows on the instrument cluster. Then you press and hold the button, then release it, and then press and hold it again, and then you continue to hold it until that shows as clear, and that's all. And it stops flashing, and it should clear and reset the service reminder. Thanks for watching.